Welcome back, everyone, to Boost Your Income with Bootstrap to WordPress. This lecture is called Convert Your Static Footer to a Dynamic Footer. Open up your footer.php file in your Bootstrap to WordPress theme file. So in the theme directory, open up footer.php. Basically, we're going to simplify this a bit and make sure that our jQuery, Bootstrap, and all of our all of our scripts are hooked in. Cool. So get rid of everything here. So from page, the div with the ID of page, remove it all the way up here to content. Wipe that out. We don't want that. And after WordPress footer, we want to put the footer info that we had in our static website. So go to your index file, and at the bottom, you'll see the section that says Bootstrap Core JavaScript and all this stuff, typekit fonts and everything. Grab this, copy it, go back to your footer, and paste it right under WordPress footer. I'm just going to line this up here. Looking good. So we got our Bootstrap Core JavaScript, jQuery pulling from googleapis.com. Okay, now we have assets jQuery. We need to fix that using our PHP blog info function built into WordPress. Okay. And then you can basically, what I'm about to do, it does the same as style sheet directory. You know how we used to do, what we've done style sheet underscore directory. Well, you can do template underscore directory. And really there isn't a difference. Unless you modify it somewhere. But the default functionality is the template directory is the template right here. This is the template directory, Bootstrap to WordPress. And the style sheet directory, well, it's the same. So unless you change it somewhere, they are the same. It's really just kind of for semantic purposes, I suppose. So you're referencing scripts. You don't want to say template style sheet directory just in case you change that style sheet directory in the future. Again, like I said, you probably won't, but template directory makes more sense in this case rather than style sheet directory. So like I said, they're the same spot by default. So go ahead and put template directory. And we're going to want to copy that because we've got to paste it here for our Bootstrap min.js and for our main.js. I'm going to put these closer together just because they don't need to be spaced so far apart. Typekit looks good. Save that. And there really isn't much change. Now we just have JavaScript and we have access to what Bootstrap offers. Okay, great. Simple lecture. I thought I'd keep it simple for that one. That would be the end of this section. And then the next section, basically, we're going to start jumping in and we're going to actually turn our homepage into this beautiful beast right here. That's what we're going to start doing in our next section. So I'll see you there. Get yourself something to eat, something to drink. And I'll see you there.